Hello, today I'd like to introduce to you the Oska Pulse. This is a localised PMF device and it comes in two versions, the 90-minute version with a black case and a 180-minute version with the grey case. These devices both have 9 Gauss of intensity and the frequency range goes from 1 to 150 Hz. In both device cases there are quick start user guides and instruction manuals, and then in the 90-minute version there's a long strap, and in the 180-minute version you get 2 straps, a longer one and a shorter one. To operate the device you simply press the button once and it goes on. You can see that the device is working as there are pulsating lights inside. It then continues to run for the set period of time, so the 90 minutes or the 180. To turn it off, you simply press the button 3 times. To affix the device to your body, you can simply use the straps that are provided. You pop the device inside the loop here, and then you just affix it to the part of the body, for example the wrist.